You've watched a million videos about making money online, but let's be honest, most of them either gatekeep the real steps or don't actually work for people just starting out. One of the biggest myths floating around is this: you need a huge following or a pile of cash to start an online business. That's just not true, and I'm living proof. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a proven way to build a zero-risk, zero-cost, zero-inventory online business that could go viral, all in about 15 minutes. And you'll want to stick around because I'll also show you how to get sales and market your products, even if you have 0 followers right now. This is the ultimate passive income side hustle, and it's powered by a brilliant platform called Printify. So give me just a few minutes of your time, tap that like button, and let's start building a digital storefront that works for you while you sleep. Let me break this down into actionable, no-fluff steps. This is how you launch your viral store, even if you're starting from 0. Step 1. Open your pop-up store. Head over to printify.com/pop-up store and click on Open Your Store. This is where the journey begins. Step 2. Create your account. Enter your email and password or use Google to sign up instantly. This step alone is like planting the seed of your future passive income. Step 3. Answer a few smart questions. You'll be asked simple questions like, what brought you to Printify and what best describes you? This helps tailor your store experience and speeds up the process. Think of it like having an onboarding assistant who already knows what you need. Step 4. Choose your products. Here's where you get creative. You'll have access to over 1,300 product options, including mugs, tote bags, phone cases, hoodies, and more. Pro tip: pick products you personally love or that your ideal audience already buys. Passion sells. Step 5. Create your viral designs. You don't need to be a designer. Use Canva or even AI tools like DALL-E or Leonardo.ai to create eye-catching graphics. Already have followers? Run a poll, ask them which design they'd actually wear. Turn them into co-creators. Don't have a following? No problem. Start with trend-based designs that tap into internet culture, quotes, or even niche jokes. Step 6. Brand your store. Now, bring everything together. Upload your logo, pick a color scheme, organize your layout. You want customers to feel like they're walking into a cool, curated experience, not some generic drop shipping site. Step 7. Drive personalization. This is where your store really shines. Use personalization features to let customers add their names, quotes, or messages to products. When people can add their own touch, it increases perceived value and conversion rates skyrocket. Once you're ready, share your store on social media, add it to your link tree, and boom, you're live. Now that your store is set up, let's talk about why Printify gives you an edge that most beginners never get. A. Purely on demand equals no inventory headaches. Printify handles printing, packing, and shipping. You focus on creativity and strategy. They even have local production partners in the US and globally, so your products arrive faster, which means better reviews and happier customers. B. Massive product catalog. Where others give you 50 or 300 options, Printify gives you over 1,300 products to customize. That's not just variety, that's the ability to stay on trend and jump into any niche quickly. C. Supplier control equals brand protection. Your brand's reputation is everything. Printify lets you choose your supplier based on ratings, cost, and delivery time. That's power. If something goes wrong, you can swap suppliers in one click. That's how real businesses scale without breaking. D. Maximum personalization and brand control. Other platforms limit your store layout or charge you for custom features. Printify gives you full control. All over prints, customized reviews, SEO-friendly product pages, and yes, even your own brand domain if you want to go next level. You're not just opening a store, you're building a brand. Now let's turn your store into a money machine with 0 followers. A. Content equals free ads. Every time you post a video of your product being made, worn, or designed, it's like running a free ad. You can even film a reaction to your first sale or document the store building process. People love the behind the scenes. B. Paid ads to supercharge your best products. Once you see traction, boost your best designs with paid ads on Meta, TikTok, or Pinterest. This turns your viral content into an automated funnel. C. Build a community around your brand. Ask your early customers to film short videos using your product. Feature them. Create a highlight reel. This builds trust fast. When people feel involved, they come back and bring friends. You wake up, you check your phone, you just made another sale. You didn't pack anything. You didn't print, you didn't ship. Your system did it for you. That's the power of Printify. That's the power of systems that work while you rest. If you've ever thought, I want to start a business but I don't know how, this is your moment. This is zero risk. This is zero inventory. This is 15 minutes to go live. So click the link to start your pop-up store right now. Drop a comment saying, I'm launching today, and I'll reply with my personal bonus tip for your niche. And hey, if you found value today, smash that like button and subscribe for more smart, zero fluff guides just like this. Thanks for watching Money Masterminds. Now go make something that pays you while you sleep.